Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. I want to take a quick second and say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you. And I want to say thank you to anybody who comes in to check out the knife, the EDC content. I appreciate you. If you're so inclined and you like the content, if you take a second and you'd hit that subscribe button down there and that bell notification icon, it really would help me out. So today I've got an unboxing to check out from my friend at Lucky Dog Knife Company. This is a knife he sent me to check out, share with you guys, and then send back to him so one of y'all can own it. If you remember, I'm trying to see the best way to get into this without getting into the box. If y'all remember, I am actually carrying it today. I picked up a Lucky Dog ranch dog about a month ago. He sent to me to check out. I ended up buying it. I'm not going to be able to do that on this one, but I did want to check it out when he offered. Let's see if I can get into it without going all nuts on it or doxing either of us. All right. Let's get right here. Sorry to be so spastic, guys. Just trying to treat it with love. Let's see if I can get in here like so. There we go. I'll probably still end up slicing the box open. Alright, let's get this damn thing out of here. Alright, so, still going to be tight in there. Gonna have to go down, go down. There we go. Lucky Dog Knife Company. Stay sharp, stay lucky. There's a little logo there. Didn't want to have to cut that open. Let's see if I can just give it a quick little. I'm gonna have to cut it. Alright guys, so if you get one that's cut, you know it was this one. So anyway, Lucky Dog knives. I just showed you guys the ranch dog. This is another variation made by David Mary Customs, who made the ranch dog for Andrew. This is the GuardDog. Check that little guy out. A little small, I mean barely, little bitty hawkbill, little slight hawkbill. This one's in canvas micarta handle, CPM 3V steel. Look how pretty that is. That doesn't even have any conditioning on the micarta. You've got this full, smooth tang with a nice little finger catch in it. And what a handy little blade shape. You guys have seen the Riverhawk that David made for New River Knives that I had been carrying. This is just a smaller version of that knife. I don't think I have. Yeah, I do. So just to give you an idea, the little GuardDog is going to be considerably smaller than the Riverhawk, and it's going to have much less of a hawkbill. I think he calls it a hawk's foot on this particular knife, combination between a sheep's foot and a hawk's foot. But I love the way these knives feel in hand. I love the way they cut. I love the way they carry. This is the Ranch Dog right here, next to the GuardDog right here. Let's check out. They're just about exactly the same length. This handle does feel a little bit more agile. Guys, very, very slicey. That was cutter error. And then you've got for detail cut, out the wazoo. What a utilitarian little blade shape. Guys, this is a beautiful, beautiful little knife. This is the Lucky Dog's GuardDog. So they've got a GuardDog, and they had the Ranch Dog. I think the Ranch Dog, the one with the spay blade, and like is in my pocket, has sold out. But I think he does have a few of these left. This one might not be going back. God, I love that little blade. Super sharp, super small, nice little. This is not a review. This is just an overview. But this little guy tips it right at 6 inches. So a 6-inch little EDC blade with multiple uses. Everything from breaking down cardboard, for ripping through any paring tasks you have, if you're cutting flowers, if you're just about cutting anything. It's a great little blade. 3V, you've got the Lucky Dog branding here. Comes with David Mary's card. These are handmade in Canada for Andrew in the USA. So Lucky Dog's knife is a USA made company or USA design company that are handmade by David in Canada, who does a great job. I'm a huge fan. I'd love to see him do more of these knives. This was a small drop. I think he did 9 of the GuardDogs and 9 of the Ranch Dogs, like I have in my pocket. So there should be a few of these available. I'll put a link in the website. I don't have any affiliation with Lucky Dog, so I don't have a discount link or anything like that. But I can link you to their website, so that if you guys have any interest and you'd like to look at one of these little knives, I will carry it. I love the fact that they come with these deep concealment carry clips. They come where they give you kind of a deep carry option, so you're only going to have that much of the knife sticking out of your pocket. It is a pocket dropper. There's absolutely no rattle on that sheath. You've got the certificate of authenticity here. GuardDog, CPM 3V, 60 HRC, blade grind flat, blade length 2.6 inches, blade thickness 0.12 inch, overall length 6 inches, designer Andrew Kidd USA, maker David Mary Custom in Canada. And that is the LuckyDogKnifeCo.com little GuardDog. Guys, can't wait to get you more information on this knife, show it to you more after I've used it a little bit. I'll take it easy on it. I won't be cutting anything more than paper and some cardboard. But thank you for checking it out. Go check out Andrew and his knives. I will link it up down in the description. But do me a favor, look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.